In the quiet countryside, a donkey and a pig meet for the first time. Strange looks, as if a silent conversation begins. Curiosity grows, but the distance remains. Some may think this closeness means more than it is.
Donkey's appetite seems steady. Coat still shedding late in the season.
But science tells a different story.
Note increase in interaction when observed.
Side by side, two species that have walked with humans for thousands
Their
of
genes
years
are far
beneath the
too
skin.
different.
Their stories are
No
written in the same
hybrid can
alphabet of
ever
life,
be born.
Spirals of light twisting endlessly.
What we see is only animal behavior, not true crossbreeding. In the end, a donkey remains a donkey, and a pig remains a pig.